Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to change the display language on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC after the latest update. If you've noticed some changes in the layout or settings, don't worry, this quick guide will help you adjust your language preferences in just a few minutes. First, open the X app or website on your PC. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and find the icon with 3 dots, that's the More icon. Click it, and a new drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, choose your account, then click Account Information. Depending on your security settings, X may ask you to confirm your password before continuing. Simply enter your password, click Next, and you'll move on to the next section. Now find and click on Languages. You'll see a few options here, but what you need is App and Post Languages. Click it to open the Language Settings page. This is where you can search for and select the language you'd like to use on X. Use the search bar at the top and type in the language you prefer. When it appears in the list, click on it to select it. Once you've made your choice, click Next to save your changes. That's it. The X interface will now start displaying in your selected language. Your posts, feeds, and menus will update automatically, letting you enjoy a more familiar experience in the language you prefer. If you ever want to switch back or choose a different language later, repeat these same steps. It's quick, simple, and works the same way each time. Thanks for watching.